Ever wondered how your device gets an IP address? It's not magic, but rather a sophisticated process known as Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, or DHCP for short. In the vast world of networking, DHCP plays a pivotal role. It's like the backstage director in a theater production, coordinating all the actors, or in this case, devices, to ensure they know their roles and cues. Without DHCP, the internet as we know it would be a chaotic mess. So what exactly happens when DHCP takes the stage? First, the process begins with a DHCP discover message. This is your device announcing to the network, "Hey, I'm here and I need an IP address." It's a loud shout in the digital void, hoping for a response. Next, the network responds with a DHCP offer. This is the network's way of saying, "I hear you and here's an IP address for you." It's important to note that this IP address is not yet set in stone. It's more of a suggestion at this point. Then it's up to your device to accept the offer. It does this by sending a DHCP request message back to the network. It's essentially saying, "I'll take that IP address, thank you very much." Once the network receives the DHCP request, it finalizes the deal by sending a DHCP acknowledgement. This is the network's way of saying the IP address is yours, enjoy. And just like that, your device has an IP address. It can now communicate with other devices on the network and access the internet. Now, let's summarize the key points about DHCP. Firstly, remember that DHCP is a protocol that automates the IP address configuration process. It's like a digital concierge, ensuring every device gets the IP address it needs to perform its job. Secondly, the DHCP process involves 4 steps: the DHCP discover, the DHCP offer, the DHCP request, and the DHCP acknowledgement. Together, these steps form the DORA process, a simple acronym to help remember the sequence. Thirdly, DHCP is not just about assigning IP addresses. It also provides other network configuration parameters such as subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS servers. This ensures that your device can not only communicate with other devices but also understand the network structure and navigate it effectively. Lastly, DHCP is a critical component of any network, big or small. Whether it's a home network with a few devices or a massive corporate network with thousands of devices, DHCP ensures smooth and efficient network operations. In conclusion, the next time your device connects to a network, remember the invisible director behind the scenes, DHCP. It's the unsung hero that keeps the digital world connected and running smoothly. So here's to DHCP, the maestro of IP addresses.